Today you will learn how to create outline in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. If you select Type tool and type any text on Adobe Illustrator, grab Selection tool to move the text. The issue is you cannot edit or redesign this letter to make any changes. Even if you grab Direct Selection tool, you can add or delete these letters, but you cannot edit these letters design. For this you will have to choose this Create Outlines option or go to Type, Create Outlines. This text is now converted into different shapes. Now if you choose Direct Selection tool, you can see these anchor points are showing. This is not text now, these are shapes. You can edit these shapes as you want, like normal shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Mostly professionals use this technique to create custom text logos. Here is an example from Behance.net portfolio. Link is given in the description. So if you have Direct Selection tool, you can select individual shape because this is a group of shapes. If you grab Selection tool, the whole group can be selected and you can change fill color like a normal group of shape. You can also add stroke, which is also called outline. Let me change the stroke color. You can increase the stroke as you want. One thing to notice is stroke is covering our shape. So go to stroke and choose this third option. You can also play with different options given here. You can see a complete tutorial about this. You can find the link in the I button. Now you can see the stroke is working only outside the shape. If you want to add second outline, go to Window, choose Appearance. Appearance panel will appear. Here you can see all the appearance detail of our selected shapes. You can see we have one black stroke. Click Add New Stroke. You can see now we have two black strokes. At this time, only upper black stroke is showing. If I change the stroke color and increase the value, you can see the second stroke is showing behind the first black stroke. You can add as many strokes as you want. Now there are total 3 strokes. If I drag this stroke to third position below, you can see now it is placed under these 2 strokes. If I increase the value and change the color, you can see this is now showing below the above 2 strokes. So now we have one yellow fill color and 3 strokes. First is black, which is showing near the fill color, then orange, which is showing near the black, and then red color outline. So I hope you have learned how to create outline in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.